If you own a car in India, you probably would have gone through the pain of seeing your car scratched or dented. And of course, have no idea how it happened in the first place.
Nippon, a Japanese auto component manufacturer, and VehicleCare have come together to offer regulated, high-quality paint job and car care services in Delhi NCR. And they claim to be the fastest in the business of removing dents, scratches, etc. as well.
Needless to say, we had to see it for ourselves.
Well, we have a repair system which is called Velocity Repair. So you look at as an express service when it's implemented in a body shop. That's the title of it, but the process itself called Velocity Repair. The concept behind it is that in a normal repair process, there are certain phases in a repair where there are waiting times. Now, usually in these waiting times, the employees are not necessarily doing effective work. So in the case of velocity repair, these times are actually utilized to do another step within the same job. So we're talking about actually optimizing the repair process. Definitely this only applies to a certain limit in the size of a repair.
Nippon's velocity repair actually consists of 20 steps, which include washing the car thoroughly, using a degreaser which removes dirt, oil, grease and other foreign substances. Then the car or the panel that needs to be repainted gets sanded, after which the body filler is applied. Once that happens, the car is completely masked for curing the body filler, and then the affected part is sanded down again. The sanded part is again cleaned using a degreaser, and then the car is made ready for primer application. Meanwhile, the paint job specialist has already mixed the colors, and now the car is ready for base coat application, followed by clear coat mixing and application, which is followed by a trip to the spray booth, wherein the newly applied coat of paint will be cured for up to an hour at different temperatures. The cost of getting your car scratches repaired depends on the number of panels to be repainted and the number and severity of the scratches. So, the scratches that we pointed out earlier have completely gone, and the body panel that was repainted has this lovely sheen to it. Also, the best part is that you get the delivery of your car the very same day. If you have minor scratches on your car, it is a great excuse to go out, go shopping, go watch a movie, and by the time you're done, your car would have been magically transformed and make you fall in love with it all over again.